Hey everybody, just wanted to touch base and talk to you before we start distance learning next week and make sure we're on the same routine and we can alleviate any worries or concerns going before next week. So basically, we just want to go over the schedule. So Mondays and Thursdays are going to be very alike for you guys. So on those 2 days, you're going to have math and Minnesota history. So if you can see on this schedule we have, you need to take attendance in math in my class, and you take that attendance by clicking like, and then you go ahead and check on the updates for math and Minnesota history, and then do what you got to do. After that, you need to go to your Avid homeroom time with me, and that's the second part of your attendance. And if you have any questions, come in and check in the afternoon homeroom time at 2 o'clock. Okay, so just wake up, check into Schoology, look at the updates, take attendance, and then do what you got to do. Here I have a screenshot of Schoology, so you can tell by looking right here that we are in updates. This is where I'm going to tell you what you're going to do every day. And also, this is where we take attendance. So when you read your daily update in math, click here for like. If you like this, that is checking in, and that's your attendance. So even if you don't have math every day, check in on here for an attendance, because on your off days, it'll just say something like click like for attendance, and on math days, it will be math related. In materials, we have something new. What I want to show you here is the all 6th grade Zooms. If you have to be in a Zoom for anything, this is where you got to go. So go to your materials in Schoology, and this will be in your reading, your math, Minnesota history, and science, and you'll have a link for all 6th grade Zooms. So click on there to get in a Zoom. So once you click on that 6th grade Zoom link, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Hopefully this is not confusing, but if you have a Mrs. Lebeck Zoom, it'll be here. So when she does her science stuff and says, go look at my Zooms, this is where you find it. Mr. Lawrence Zooms will all be here. And for me, my noon attendance Avid type Zoom will be here. And then my extra help at 2 o'clock session will be there. Also, Mr. Nagin, all his Zooms will be in this red box right here. So anytime you need a Zoom, click on the 6th grade Zoom link. Hopefully that makes sense. So pretend it's Monday of next week and distance learning is here. What do you do? So step 1, wake up, and after you have a good breakfast, check your Schoology. So go to math and click like on the update for attendance. Then read your updates for math and Minnesota history, because on Mondays you have math and Minnesota history. But heads up, you have a 10 o'clock a.m. Zoom with Mr. Nagin. So go to that 6th grade Zoom link in Schoology and click on his 10 o'clock Zoom. And then you'll do your thing with him. If you have time, work on your math, and then you'll have a homeroom Zoom with me at noon. And then you're kind of on your own, and then if you need extra help, we'll see you at 2 o'clock. So Monday you have math, Minnesota history, and remember you have a Zoom at 10 and noon. Then Tuesdays will come. Tuesdays you'll have science and reading. So you'll wake up, you'll click like in the math course, and then that's your math for the day. That's your attendance for me for your homeroom. Then you go to your updates and you look at Mr. Lawrence's and Mrs. Lebeck's and do what you got to do. If you have questions, you reach out to them. Email questions for instructor or whatever you have to do. And then you have specialists on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I know here on the green, I accidentally left out and Thursday. So your specialist time is Tuesday, Thursday, 1:30. And we start off with music next week. So we have music Tuesday, Thursday this week at 1:30. So any questions, again, reach out to me, email or questions for instructor. Hope that makes sense. Now, if you have any questions, please come and ask me so I can help you out. That's my job, so don't feel weird or shy or anything. So reach out. Feel free to send me an email at edcremers@rrps.org, same email ending as yours, or go to Schoology and go to the questions for instructor, which I know you know how to do because we've practiced that. So good luck. Please try your best, and if there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.